Hi, I'm Greg McIntyre, estate planning and elder law attorney. I'm going to talk about end of year planning, which to me is a little bit of a misnomer because it also involves planning for the next year. It's a false barrier or it's a false target to plan just on a calendar year because the next day, January 1, will be the same as December 31st. I do like the fact, though, it is kind of a planning season. I still am acclimated to taking inventory of the previous year, and I think that's the advantage. I'm joined by my son here, fellow estate planning and elder law attorney, Jordan McIntyre. Hey, Jordan.
Hey guys. Hey Dad.
Hey, he's in our Shelby office today. I'm sitting in our Hendersonville office. So I'll tell you how I look at end of year planning as an attorney, how it involves estate planning, how it's relevant to you and for our firm. So I look at end of year planning as a chance to take inventory going into the holidays, knowing I'm going to have a few days off to really settle, let the sediment settle in the stream of life and be a little more clear, get some clarity, spend some time with family. I like to recap the year, stop doing the things that were detrimental that we didn't get a lot from over the previous year, not carry those forward into the new year, double down on the things that were very productive and that we got great results from in that previous year, and then plan the new bigger goal items, the wish list that we want to accomplish. And I call them my big three. That's what I did. I think that's the way I think. I could organize all the smaller tasks under three major objectives to try to have all my actions over the coming year geared toward making those big three a reality. And if I do that every year, putting year after year together, doing that, it's unreal how much progress you can make in life, business, period, personally and professionally. So what about you, Jordan? What is end of year planning, that title, mean to you?
Well, I think that I'm always striving to get a little bit better. And I'm always planning to get a little bit better. But I think the end of the year is a period where you have a little bit of more time to reflect. You have a little bit of time off work. You're around family. The things that are really important to you come to light. You have conversations with people who are important to you. And that allows you to have, the sense of renewal. Historically, the new year has been about renewal and figuring out who you are and who you want to be. And even though January 1st is just another day, I think it's very important because we as humans can continue to define who we are. We're one of the only, animals on this planet that can wake up the next day and say, I want to be something else. I want to be somebody different. I want to create new things and be a better person. So I think in the context of estate planning, that means that I can wake up the next day and decide I want to take care of my affairs. I'm around my family members and I want to make sure they're taken care of.
Yeah, I think as it relates to estate planning and to dealing with our clients, I would say for us, we want to continually give better service. I want to improve our efficiency of delivering that service. I want to be able to serve more people better. That's always the goal, is to handle and cater to each and every client individually. One of our goals this year is to expand litigation so we can really handle our clients' litigation matters and more of them and bigger ones. We have a healthy litigation wing now. We do a lot of that. And it's also to streamline efficiencies and systems in each one of our departments: estate planning, benefits, probate, litigation. Then follow it up with the central feeder system, comms, communications, and client management. Okay. So that's the way I see the breakdown, kind of what we do. And there's a lot of complexities within that, but I want to get much more efficient, and have better systems in place that I personally design along with our team.
Well, and as your son, I can see that working here forever. I can see the planning you've done at the end of every single year. And, just in the last year, I've seen the litigation team grow. I see the way people can kind of get moved around, come in and out, and they're quickly trained. They become important members of the team. And then every single year I step back in from school, it just keeps getting better and better. And I know that's an active process on your part to figure out what is and isn't working and do that planning. I know you sit down at the end of every year and really figure that out. And you can see that throughout every single aspect of the office.
When you started, it was me. How about when you started? When you were little, you were at my law school graduation. And when I started and we went out on our own, it was just me, and your mom was helping me. And we worked together for a long time and started expanding. And we'd get better at doing that planning and executing on our plans every year. And then putting those years together, I think we have about 50 team members now. That's pretty cool. And I feel like we're just getting started if we're smart about it and we continue to improve. Have we made mistakes? Absolutely. You can't be afraid to make mistakes, though. It's the way you learn. So not and you want to be conscientious. Try not to make mistakes. Sometimes things you don't see.
You want to take risks, but you want to take educated risk and plan.
Yeah, I don't see them as risk. I just don't think you can be scared to move. I don't think you can be paralyzed by fear. Right? I mean, I think that is a really vulnerable position, to be paralyzed by fear. That's not a position you want to be in. So anyway, in equating that, I'm glad you work for us now. How about not work for us, work with us? In our firm, we talk about our team members as not employees or managers and things like that. We try to refer to them as team members, because we're all team members, knowing there's some managers and some executive level positions, as there should be. But we value every position. Jordan's been doing an amazing job. I was so proud. I was telling your mom, I was so proud of you yesterday in your performance in running the Shelby office yesterday. So you're doing an amazing job.
Well, I've seen you do it. I've seen Brent do it. I've seen Sam do it in the Charlotte office. So Shelby definitely feels like home. It's more comfortable for me because I've been coming here since 2018. I think you've had this office, and then the Lafayette Street office and the other one, but I feel comfortable here. But it definitely has to do with the training that I've been through the last few months.
Absolutely. And I'd say, to any potential clients out there, anybody watching, I love to plan. I love to sit down and make new friends, and sit down and discuss whatever problem you might have or opportunity you might have. Both I have a ton of clients who are business minded, who love rental properties and real estate, or have manufacturing companies, or a broad spectrum of clients. Business planning is part and parcel, part of estate planning, with corporate structures and LLCs as it relates to trust and legacy. Jordan, I think for me and you both, and our other attorneys at McIntyre Elder Law, we just want to continue to grow and improve and offer ourselves as advisors, vessels, for planning and for sitting down and helping people work through their plans. And I think this is a great time of year for others to take inventory of their past year, their lives, meet with families, have great conversations, and, have some objectives and plans going into the new year. We can help with both the business and the estate planning part, and we'd be glad to do that. It's a good time to take inventory. That's the start of any plan, is taking an inventory and doing a review. No doubt about it. So anyway, Jordan, thank you for joining me today. And I love you.
I love you too.
All right. And this has been an Elder Law Report. We'll be here next Elder Law Report. Usually we put these out weekly with another great topic. Okay. And I hope everybody has a good holiday season. All right. Right now, I know we are offering a free consult as well as a coupon off estate planning, a discount on estate planning. So go to our website to get that, or give our office a call. mcelderlaw.com/scheduling is how you can schedule a consult, or you can call us at 1-888-999-6600. Thanks, everyone. Thank you, Jordan. I hope you have a great day.
Have a good day.
All right.